All right, this is Bill Connelly, Vice President with Financial Education Services. I just wanted to put a quick video together to introduce myself and also what you need to do as your first steps once you sign up as an agent with FES. So I'm going to go quickly through this, just hit the major points to get you up, get you running, and get you familiar with our company. All right, what you're looking at now is the corporate website that you're going to get from Financial Education Services. All right, this is where you're going to have products to share, the business opportunity where people will sign up as an agent. You're going to send business opportunity people who want to be an agent with FES to this website. We have another website that we promote as the agent to sell the protection plan membership that has the credit repair and other products all included. All right, so with this corporate website, you're introducing people to Financial Education Services. You're validating who you are. They can watch the video, presentation, which is short. They can click on enroll. They can check everything out. Now, on this page, they have the ability, or you have the ability, to sign people up for some additional products. FES Cellular, that's through Sprint, $49 flat fee. You can get people into the cellular. My Healthcare to Go, telemedicine, you can sign people up for that. FES Travel, you can sign people up to that. So these are the three things that are in the FES Protection Plan Plus membership. All right, this is not the credit restoration website where you're going to send people to sign them up for the United Credit Education platform. All right, I just want to make that clear. You have two main websites. Now, also, if you click on products, you can see that we can share a couple other things. I deleted some out. I only wanted the main ones on here. We can offer people the opportunity to get a secure credit card, and we can also offer people the ability to get rent being reported on their credit report. All right, so I'm going to go over this real quickly on the inside. So remember, this is your business opportunity website, company products, business opportunity, agent login. In the agent login back office is where you're going to have all your information about your business and everything. All right, so remember, you have the FES Plus plan on this page down the bottom. You have other products, and I'll go over that in a minute, but the ones that I only put on here is the secure credit card and the rent reporting. All right, and then you have the business opportunity. People can come here, they can sign up as an agent. Now, I want to make this very clear. There are two ways people can sign up as an agent. Both cost $288. So for $288, you want to get people to sign up under the United Credit Education Protection Plan membership with an $89 a month fee. That means when the agent signs up like that, they're getting all the services that the customer gets included, plus the opportunity to build the business, have a downline, get paid off your downline, make the bonuses. Everything's included with that. You also have the ability to go out and get either 5 customers, 5 agents, or any combination. And once you have that, your $89 a month is waived. So that's your mission once you get started. Make sure you get with your sponsor so that you can get a game plan together. The other way for $288 is you can only sell the service, all right? You can only sell the protection plan membership with the credit repair and make commissions off of your personal sales. That's it. They also have a $99 annual fee. So those are the two ways you want to get people in. The first way, the United Credit Education Services Protection Plan, $288, $89 a month, 5 for free. So basically you would click agent login and you would be here. All right, you'd be on your dashboard. But what I did was I went over, and at the top right, you can see the down arrow next to my picture. When you click on that, you're going to click on profile, and this will come up. There's 3 major things I want you to see. The display name. You can have your name, or you can have a business name, whatever you want. and it'll appear on your website. All right. The menu setting, these are the different products that we can sell as well. We have an ultra score. We have the will, trust, power of attorney. We have the opportunity, the United Credit Education Protection Plan membership. This is banking right here, a merchant account. We have smart credit, a secure credit card, and credit my rent. Now you can see what I have checked. I have the career opportunity, the secure card, and credit my rent. This is what I do. And why I don't have the other ones is because I'm not interested in the merchant account. I'm not interested in the ultra score. And the other ones are in the United Credit Education Protection Plan membership. So I just have these three. We have 2 websites. You're on the first one. This is your business opportunity. Also, it's critical that you go to upload a photo and you have a photo on your websites. All right? Nobody wants to come to a website without a photo. It looks unprofessional, and you need to have your photo in here, display name, and pick your products and hit save. So when we go over on the main website and we click on products, it's only going to show the 2 that I have, but it's also going to have the business opportunity up top. All right, that's what that is. If you click on dashboard, this will take you to your main dashboard. If you click on commissions, you can click on reports, see what you're getting paid. Marketing gives you different things. The presentation, the FES store where you can get banners, shirts, different things. Scripts, what to say. Reports, agent reports, customer reports. You're signing up business partners. You're also signing up customers. Enrollment. All right, this is where you can sign people up. Enroll people as an agent. That'll be your link. All right. If you want to sign people up for the United Credit Education Services enrollment, it's going to tell you go to the other website. That's what it's going to say. It's not going to have your link there. All right. There's a marketing system for both. I don't use it. I brand myself. I do my own videos and things like that. There's training in here, video library, getting started, conference calls. There's a connect page that you can make with templates. Compliance, you want to check this out, what you can, what you cannot say, promotions, people being promoted and everything like that. So dashboard, I just wanted to show you this area real quick because this is something you have to do from the start. Get your picture up, your display name, however you want it, your real name, your business name, upload a photo, and pick what products you want to show on the products area. All right, so that's that. Now we're going to click over and I'm going to show you. This is the website that you get to sell the United Credit Education Services Protection Plan membership. This is where you're going to sell the plan, all right? And it tells you everything's included. It's one membership, protection plan membership. It has all the products included, all right? And you want to get people to what's included so they can see. It's going to tell you all the different products that we offer people. It's only slow because I have the Zoom going. The protection plan membership, it tells you everything that's in there, the budgeting, credit restoration, the credit builder, the credit attorney, credit monitoring, debt payoff, identity monitoring, life insurance that we get as agents, a lockbox to put all your information, your net worth, savings goals, the will, trust, power of attorney, and the YFL Family Mint. This is where we go into schools across America. We help kids. We educate them on finances. Seniors in high school, freshmen in college, they can fill out an essay and they can get scholarship money through this YFL. It's very, very powerful. You'll learn more once you're in there. But the 3 main things that you want to do is you want to know their links so you can sign people up, what's included, and then you want to log in also, okay? Here's the back office of that. Once you click login, it's going to be your email and the last 4 of your social security to get in there. Your main FES website is your FES username and the password you made when you signed up. So now we're in the back office of this. The United Credit Education Services. We clicked login, we filled out the information, your email, and the last 4 of your socials, the password. You can check out Enroll Your Customers. It'll give you all the links, all the information. We have a Shop for Less portal if you want to do that. But down the bottom is the Protection Plan membership. You want to access that. Boom. You want to click on that. And then you'll be in the back office. Now, I already started stuff, so I am not sure what yours is going to look like at the moment. But here's what I want you to do. As soon as you get in your back office, it's going to tell you all the information you need, and all of your products are going to be on the left-hand side. All right? What you want to do is you want to check out the roadmap. This is going to give you a whole year of what you should be doing month by month. Go at your own pace, but follow this. All right? Don't go any faster than clicking and looking at every single thing, going in order. See the click here, it gives you more information. Activate your credit restoration. That's the first thing you need to do so that FES and the lawyers can pull your credit report and get those dispute letters out to you as quickly as possible. Same thing with your customers. The customer gets this same exact back office. All right, so now you know when you sign up a customer, you're going to have them do the same process as I'm telling you right here. Get into your back office, click on the roadmap, start your credit restoration process. Once that's done, you want to get your credit monitoring going. All right, and you'll have something called Smart Credit, which is like Credit Karma, except it's more powerful. It's included for free. You're going to sign up there. I think they might charge you $1 just to validate who you are, but after that, there's no charge. After you have that set up, you want to set up your identity protection, which is Privacy Armor Identity. That's who we use. So these are the three things you want to do as soon as you get active as an agent, and these are the three things you want to do when you bring in a customer. You want to get them through these three steps. It's very, very important. Over on the left-hand side, they would click on credit restoration. They would follow whatever it says, access your account, get everything started. Same thing with the credit monitoring and also the identity monitoring. It's going to show you exactly to access your account, create your account, videos to show you what to do. All right, so these are the two main portals that you're going to get. It's going to be where you send people to sign up as a customer. That's the United Credit Education Services Protection Plan membership. And we also have your main corporate website where you're going to sign up agents. You have the Plus plan. You have the other products. Hey, does anybody need a secure credit card? Give them your link. Hey, does anybody rent and need to get that on your credit report? It can really boost your score. Give them your Credit My Rent link. All right, so know your business opportunity website and then know your products website. All right, very important. Here's the home. Just so you know, it'll have your name. It'll have your information. It's coded to you. Everything's coded to you. All right, so this has been built. Well, one other thing I want to tell you, it's always our goal to help the customer get the negative items off. All right, you want to get the negative items off, and then you want to start putting positive things on. And that's why we offer the secure credit card, and that's why we offer the Credit My Rent. What I also offer is called Self. And you can go to theselflender.com, theselflender.com, and you can start this process. How it works is you set up a loan through them. You do not get the money, but you pay into the loan. You can start for as little as $25. So you create the loan, you create the account, and you start paying monthly into it. Each time you make a payment into it, they're going to report to all three credit bureaus. At the end of the loan term, you can get your money back. All right? You get your money back. Or they also have the opportunity that once you have 3 payments of over $100 total, you can get the secure credit card that they had. All right? And that means now you'll have a loan being reported to the credit bureau. You'll have a secure credit card being reported to the credit bureau using your own money that you're paying into the loan here. If you have any questions, get back and see if the agent is doing this. I'm not sure if they are or not, but remember, theselflender.com. You can check that out. All right, so this has been Bill Connelly. I appreciate all the new agents on our team. If you're on another team and you're using this video, that's fine. Just get back with a person, create a plan. Remember, you are now a salesperson for this company. This company is giving you an opportunity to sell their products, make commissions, and live life on your own terms while you're fixing your own credit, while you're protecting your own family's identity. Everything's included here. It's one package. Bring on agents, help them get started, help them get their 5 for free. And remember the 2 main websites that we have, the corporate website and our protection plan membership that we sell as an agent to help people get their good credit back, protect their family, and build for the future. All right, so this has been Bill Connelly. I appreciate it. God bless you. Take this seriously. Your business is only going to go as far as you put into it. Stay close to the campfire. That means your team, the Zoom calls. If you have questions, don't be a hidden agent. If you think you can only post it on your Facebook wall, you can't. I do this online. I do this offline. I go out. I talk to realtors, car dealers, solar panel people, mortgage brokers. I talk to anybody who has customers that have to have a certain credit score to be approved. Those people either become agents or they refer their customers to me. We get those customer scores up. Now my people can sell their product. That's your mission. That's your goal. That's your plan. Go where people are serious about fixing their credit. All right. God bless. Take care. And thank you for watching this video.